Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. This is Chef Pinto here, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make prawns cutlets. In Goa we call them suntanchi patisan. Very easy, very simple recipe, and keep all the ingredients which I will show ready, and to make it more easy and more convenient, and you can make this better at home. So for that I have taken 250 grams of peeled prawns, which are very tiny. The reason why I've taken this is these are very tasty. In Goa we call this manshichi sungta. So not to worry if you don't get this. If you get this, it's well and good. Very tasty. It gives you a better flavor. And not to worry if you don't find this in the market. You can use regular prawns, other prawns. You need to chop them, and you can use this. Next thing what we need is onion. I've taken 4 onion finely chopped, coconut grated, which is 150 grams of coconut, cumin, whole cumin. I've taken half a teaspoon. Then I have 4 cloves, 8 of black peppercorn, half an inch of cinnamon stick. I have turmeric powder, which is half teaspoon. Tamarind, which is quarter size of a lemon. You can see this. Then I have garlic peeled, which is 8 cloves. Green chili, I have taken 3 each, as per your taste. If you want more spicy, less, you can adjust it, but I have taken 3. Gives you a perfect taste, not too spicy, not too mild also. And then I have ginger, which is half inch of a ginger. And then I have sugar, which is half teaspoon. So let's start this process. We need now is a vessel to mix this. First we'll add prawns. We need to add salt to the prawns. Just a little bit of salt, just for flavor. Onions and all other ingredients. We need to mix this in this vessel. So now after we add all the ingredients, you have to add water to this. Very little water. And mix this well. Now this will go on the flame. On a medium flame, we need to cook this till this mixture becomes dry. So this I have kept it on simmer, and we'll leave this on a medium flame on simmer till the mixture is dry. We will cover this and keep now. Check this out, this is totally dried now. There is no water left. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll leave this till it becomes cool before we blend this. So we need to blend this mixture now. So friends, this mixture is already dried now, the prawns mixture. Now we need to blend this. All this we'll put it in the jar and we will blend it up. Without adding water, roughly blend it. This mixture is already blended now. What we need is breadcrumb. I've taken 1/3 of a cup, which is 85 ml. You have to mix, and then we need 1 egg to coat and semolina to coat. So this we have. Once you mix this, you have to keep it on the side for at least 20 minutes. The main reason why we add breadcrumb is to make the mixture a little bit tight, so it absorbs whatever remaining moisture, and we leave it 20 minutes. So guys, it's been already 20 minutes now. Now we'll do the crumbing. What we need is, I've kept semolina and egg, beaten egg. You have to make a shape round. Check this out. This is the oval shape. Any size, any shape if you want, you can make it. Check this out, guys. Let's do one more. Check this out. So friends, check this out. These are already in shape now. Now we need to crumb them. Egg I have ready. Egg, just whole egg you need to beat. This is how it should. Guys, check this out. This is how it should be. As I mentioned, any shape you can make, the square one if you want, or a round one. So check this out. These are oval shapes, and try this recipe at home. These are lovely ones. Kids will enjoy this. Guys, check this out. These are already crumbed now with the whipped egg and semolina coated. These are ready to fry now. So friends, since the oil is hot, we will try to fry them. Guys, check this out. These are ready to remove now. So friends, check this out. How lovely they looks. This is how prawns cutlets are made. Check this recipe. It's very easy, very convenient to make. You can try this recipe at home and serve this to your loved ones. Everyone will enjoy it. And also please Don't forget to share my recipes and subscribe. Please do like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and family as well. Love you all. Thank you very much. Guys, check this out. This is the final outcome. Check how it looks. This is how it should be.
Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.